ਸ਼ੋ ਗੁਰਸੀਮਾ's ਗਪਸ਼ਪ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੋਚ ਰਹੇ ਹੋਗੇ ਅੱਜ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਗੈਸਟ ਆਇਆ ਗੁਰਸੀਮਾ ਦੇ ਸਟੂਡੀਓ। Yes, I have got a beautiful lady here, Dr. Jasmine Dhaliwal. Very warm welcome to you, Dr. Saab.
Thank you so much, Gursima. I'm so happy to be here with you.
Pleasure is all mine. So let's not waste time. I'm very eager to know about her. ਸਾਡਾ ਪਹਿਲਾ ਸੈਗਮੈਂਟ ਹੈ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਰੂਬਰੂ। ਆਪਕੀ ਕਹਾਣੀ ਆਪਕੀ ਜ਼ੁਬਾਨੀ। ਥੋੜੇ ਜਿਹੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਆਡੀਅנס ਨੂੰ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਥੋੜੀ ਜਿਹੀ ਇੰਟਰੋਡਕਸ਼ਨ ਹੋ ਜਾਏ ਪਲੀਜ਼।
So I am Dr. Jasmine Dhaliwal. I'm a doctor by profession.
Right.
I'm working in the field of obs and gynae.
So you're a gynecologist.
Yes.
Gynecologist.
And I practice in Batala.
Okay.
Yeah.
Batala, where it's like some hospital you are.
Yeah, I'm running my own hospital, that is Dhaliwal Nursing Home.
Okay.
And in addition to that, I'm working in two charitable hospitals, one in Batala only and one in Mehta.
Okay.
Mehta Sahib.
So, थोड़ा सा ऐसी रिवाइंड करिए right from your childhood. Otherwise, your birthplaces.
That is Jalandhar.
That is Jalandhar.
So I always consider Jalandhar to my hometown still now.
देखो बंदा पेके नहीं भूलता। I have seen
Exactly.
this. Girls will never forget. So ma'am is saying कि मेरा hometown जलंधर है।
Yes.
अच्छा जी, चलो थोड़ा बचपन तो शुरू कर
So
दें।
I've spent all my childhood in Jalandhar only. I studied from MGN Public School in Jalandhar.
Okay, and if I would like to know about your parents, your father.
Yeah, my father, he was a chemistry professor.
केमिस्ट्री
And-
प्रोफेसर।
Yes, and
फिर वो
mother-
क्लियर सीगा कि हाँ भी बच्चे ने मेडिकल लाइन पकड़नी है।
I think they pushed me into
They
medical
pushed
line.
you into this medical, and your mom.
Given my own choice, I wouldn't have chosen this profession, baby. So my mother, she was a government school teacher. She taught maths, mathematics.
एक्सट्रीम वाले सब्जेक्ट्स
Both
पेरेंट्स
of
से
them.
तो बच्चा कैसे डॉक्टर नहीं बनता मैम, ये तो होना ही सीखा।
So I have one brother. He's an engineer. He settled in USA.
ओके
So I am here. I got married and then I shifted to Batala.
ओके
But as you said, my heart still beats for Jalandhar Shahar. Now I consider Batala to my hometown, to be my hometown. Maybe, you know, I was a big fan of Shiv Kumar Batalvi since childhood.
Since childhood,
I
because you
think
have
that's
listened
why
to
destiny, you know, took me to his hometown.
his hometown।
Yes.
ਅੱਛਾ ਜੀ, ਸੋ ਇਟ ਵਾਸ ਲਾਈਕ ਕਿ ਹਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਸੀ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੈਡੀਕਲ ਲਾਈਨ, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਦੱਸੋ ਜਦੋਂ ਪੜ੍ਹਦੇ ਸੀ ਹਾਊ ਮੈਨੀ ਆਵਰਸ ਯੂ ਯੂਜ਼ਡ ਟੂ ਸਟੱਡੀ।
Yeah, I've always been a studious kid, you know.
Right.
Always, my main interest was reading only. So since childhood, I've been reading.
So while
lot
you were
of
preparing
books.
for your this entrance exams of PMT, so how many hours you used to burn, you know, your nights?
Okay. I don't remember, but yes, I was a studious kid right
So
from.
ma'am ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਪੜ੍ਹੇ ਹੋ? Like you completed your MBBS?
I joined medical college in 1991 and
You pursued your MBBS first?
yes, I did it from Government Medical College, Amritsar.
GMC,
only,
right?
yes.
GMC Amritsar. Okay.
And after
then
that, I did my diploma in gynae, obs and gynae.
okay.
Then after marriage only I shifted to Batala and there I started my private practice
Right.
with my parents-in-law first.
Okay.
And now, as I
So
told you,
if I ask you how many, it's been how many years? ਕਿੰਨੇ ਸਾਲ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਸਾਰੇ ਇਸ practice ਦੇ
it's
ਵਿੱਚ?
been more than 32 years.
It's a huge, you know, good number of years with the vast experience.
Yeah, you can say
कैसा
so.
लगता है मैम when you feel, how you feel about yourself for this such a, because you have spent the time for, you know, healing the females, for dealing with their problems. How you feel?
get used to it, just like it's your profession, you are teaching.
Right.
We think that teachers are doing very great
Right.
job teaching the
ਅੱਛਾ
next
ਬਿਕਾਜ਼
generation.
ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਪ੍ਰੋਫੈਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ ਗਾਇਨੀ ਦਾ, ਜੇ ਮੈਂ ਕਹਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਹਰ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਯੂ ਮਸਟ ਬੀ ਡੀਲਿੰਗ ਵਿਦ ਦੀ ਸਿਟੀ ਲਾਈਫ ਪੀਪਲ ਐਜ਼ ਵੈਲ ਐਜ਼ ਦੀ ਸਮਾਲ ਟਾਊਨ ਜਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ
Yes.
ਕਹ ਲਓ ਰੂਰਲ
ਹਾਂ।
ਸੋ ਵਾਟ ਯੂ ਫਾਈਂਡ ਦ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਸ ਬਿਟਵੀਨ ਦੀ ਵੂਮਨ of that urban and the rural area, ਜਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਗੱਲ ਸਮਝਾਉਣ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ do you feel ਕਿ ladies ਆਪਣੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਸੋਚਦੀਆਂ ਕਿ ਹਰ ਟਾਈਮ ਇਗਨੋਰ ਹੀ ਕਰਦੀਆਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ,
That's a
neglect
very right
ਕਰਦੀਆਂ?
question. Actually, as I told you, I have my own private practice in city of Batala.
Right.
And I have I'm working in a charitable hospital where people come from all the
rural
strata
background,
of,
even from
society.
below poverty line
And
also,
plus, when I
whatever.
go to Mehta, there I have entirely rural population. Some
So
are
how
very
many hospitals you are
in three.
in 3 hospitals you are
Working.
working with your okay.
So in Mehta, I get people from very below poverty line.
below
also.
poverty line.
But
ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ
you know,
ਕੀ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਮੈਮ ਕਿ
as you said, key difference है. So I think in general, women, I talked about this in earlier also, that women basically, whether they are educated, whether they are uneducated, whether they
But
are
they're ready
rich
to
or poor,
sacrifice.
yes,
They are ready to. They
So-
feel they are meant to sacrifice.
people, women, they are, I think from childhood only, they are taught that you have to be a,
We have to
a
very
smoothie
ideal
of,
figure, and in an ideal
figure.
frame, you need to fit yourself.
So they always keep ignoring their own wishes, their own desires, and their own.
And do you think it's right?
I don't think so. I think since yesterday only I was watching a film, a very old, Mona Lisa Smile.
Okay.
It deals with women in 1830, 1830 around.
Okay, right.
So a very progressive teacher goes to teach a very elite, girls' school, and they are
Right.
so embedded into their traditions in spite of
Matlab
higher
in sp-
studies.
In spite of the higher studies, in spite of the class they
Yes.
belong to,
And
still
I
they
feel
have.
still that movie depicted the era of 1830, and I think that is true for this
Even
age
this era,
also.
even this age that we are living
Yes.
into. That's
And
surprising.
health-wise also, I see women, they always ignore their own health. They are,
Right.
health of family, health of their husband, their parents-in-law, and their children. They all come first, and women,
At the
she's
last.
always at the last.
At the last, it's always there.
Yes, and I think we spend half of our life till for 50. I think we go like this only.
I too would feel that ki till your last time also, women are, always ready to work for others, to sacrifice for others. So, and you think, Dr. Jasmine, it's like the traditions or the whatever the tradition, your customs, your principles that are deep rooted in our country, is that the Western countries also have the same things or not?
I think more or less it's the same. From outer appearance, we may see that they are very progressive.
But
and
still,
all.
you feel that even in the, there is the somewhat the same, they are the same figures of sacrificing or
Not exactly.
not to that level, not to that level,
हाँ.
I suppose.
There they are more concerned about themselves.
Yes, and I
also.
feel that as the generation is changing, the upcoming generation may
Yes.
not be the same like you
I'm
people
very happy
were.
to see that young
You're very
people, they think more
They
about
think,
themselves.
they think about themselves
and
first.
I'm very happy to see.
So
like,
sweet
it's-
of you, so
yes.
sweet of you. She's the first woman I've ever come across. You say, I'm really happy with whatever the youngsters are doing.
Yes,
They're
I
thinking
know.
about themselves, they're
I
enjoying. Okay. So if we would like to know about your children.
Yeah, my daughter, she's dental surgeon.
Dental surgeon.
We just went to see your dental
Oh, yes.
clinic.
And what's
so
the good
she
name?
did her BDS, Harina.
Harina.
Yes.
Very different name.
Harina, she did her BDS from SGRD Dental
Shiv
College in
Ramdas
Amritsar.
right.
Now she's in London. She completed
Okay.
her masters there, and now she's working.
Now she's
in
working.
in a dental
Okay.
company.
So proper dental surgeon she is established
Yes,
now. And your son?
my son, he has taken a different branch. He is doing BCom honors from GNDU.
Right. So what he aims to pursue?
He is still finding his
still
passion.
pondering what on work.
Yes, and I let him go.
And that's fine. That's fine. That's
I
fine.
say there's no
Otherwise,
hurry.
I used to feel, ma'am, when we were in the school, na, it was like, इसके पेरेंट्स डॉक्टर हैं, ये तो डॉक्टर ही बनेगी. It was clear.
He
कि हाँ.
also कहता है कि my friends always point out to me, तेरा तो तेरे मम्मी का हॉस्पिटल भी है, वो
तो why
डॉक्टर
are
तू
you-
नहीं बना.
हाँ, you will get a very right setup to earn.
But I
still-
say no, take
but
it
that's
easy.
that's fine. You allow your children to to choose their own
Yeah,
whatever
it's
the
better,
field they would
हाँ,
like to.
Exactly.
Okay, चलो ये सारा हो गया. You write something, ma'am?
Yes, as I say that in my DP only in Instagram, I write it that I am a doctor by profession, but poet by passion. So
very
yeah.
So
writing
poetess
poetry is my
Jasmine को
first.
सीधे कुछ सुनना चाहिए, तो कुछ सुनाओ जरा.
Okay, he's taken my phone. But
No issues. We can
नहीं,
please,
नहीं,
my
I can.
cameraman.
I
kindly
write
provide
in
the-
English as well as Punjabi.
So let's listen to any of your favorite. Yeah,
I
please.
forgot to bring my book also. I've published a book in of English poems.
Right.
So
Congratulations,
That
this is
is
really
by the
good.
name of Inner Pieces. I
Right.
forgot it's lying in the car. I
No
forgot
issues.
to bring it here.
We will have the picture. I'm going to
Yes.
share the picture of it.
Of course.
Angie ma'am,
So I've been writing since childhood, but
since childhood.
yes, but I never spoke out, read out my poems to anyone.
Right.
I thought it's
So
like
ऐसा भी है कि your entire whatever you used to write, it's just still you have that pages.
yes, I have my pages from I think when I was in 8th standard.
Eighth standard you started, and who ignited the spark?
I don't know, it's some
पहली पोएम केड़ी लिखी सी, कुछ याद है?
Pehli, I wrote about Christ. You know, because it was, I think, Christmas time, and Tribune ch koi article aaya si. I used to
So
read.
what influenced your mind?
No, there was a children's column. So the lady who was writing in children's column, she asked everyone to write a poem on Christ and sent it to her.
Okay.
So that time I wrote this poem, and she selected my poem, and I still remember I got a, like, you know, demand draft of 50 rupees.
How sweet. So that was the moment when you got the insight ki yes, you can write the poetry.
Yeah,
Or this
I
was the
kept on
field
writing till
you kept on writing.
I went to medical college. Then somehow I stopped. And then
But you are writing now?
Yes,
Now you're
now
writing.
seriously.
Now you're
because
writing.
once life teaches you a lot of things.
Exactly.
So when I went through ups and downs in my life, I think it was poetry that helped me.
That healed
like,
your
yes,
inner
healed me.
grievances.
हाँ.
चलो एक कविता ਤੁਹਾਡੇ को सुन लेने पंजाबी दी,
Punjabi the yes.
or English, whatever
हाँ.
you feel.
So, okay, a favorite. I write in Punjabi as well as English. So English the I have published my book.
Right.
Or Punjabi the it's in the process
please,
of getting published. So
सुनाओ.
I'll read one of my मैं अपनी Punjabi ਦੀ एक favorite book है ਜਿਹੜੀ ਮੇਰੇ poem ਜਿਹੜੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਬੜੀ ਪਸੰਦ ਹੈ.
ਹਾਂਜੀ, sure.
So I'll read that ਕਿ ਰੱਦੀ ਵਾਲੇ ਦੀਆਂ ਕਿਤਾਬਾਂ ਫੋਲਦਿਆਂ ਇੱਕ ਕਿਤਾਬ ਅਜਿਹੀ ਲੱਭੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕਦੀ ਮਹੀਨਿਆਂ ਉਡੀਕਦਿਆਂ ਮਿਲਦੀ ਸੀ। ਮਿਲਣ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਹਰ ਰਾਤ ਸਿਰਹਾਣੇ ਰੱਖ ਕੇ ਸੌਣਾ ਅਤੇ ਸਵੇਰੇ ਮੇਜ਼ ਤੇ ਸਾਂਭ ਕੇ ਰੱਖ ਜਾਣਾ। ਅੱਜ ਅੱਧੀ ਫੱਟੀ ਅੱਧੀ ਫਿੱਕੀ ਹੋਈ ਜੋ ਬਚਪਨ ਦੀਆਂ ਧੁੰਦਲੀਆਂ ਯਾਦਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਦੁਹਰਾਉਂਦੀ ਹੋਵੇ। ਇੱਕ ਹੋਰ ਕੋਨੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਈ ਕਿਤਾਬ ਨਵੀਂ ਨਕੋਰ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੀ ਅਣਮੁੱਲੀ ਭੇਂਟ ਜਿਹੀ ਲੱਗੇ। ਪਹਿਲੇ ਪੰਨੇ ਤੇ ਕੁਝ ਪਿਆਰ ਭਰੇ ਬੋਲ ਅਤੇ ਦੂਸਰੇ ਤੇ ਪੂਰੀ ਚਿੱਠੀ। ਸੋਚਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਇਹ ਚਿੱਠੀ ਪੜ੍ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਨਾ, ਕਿਤੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੇ ਕੁਝ ਰਾਜ਼ਾਂ ਦੀ ਰਾਜ਼ਦਾਰ ਨਾ ਬਣ ਜਾਵਾਂ। ਵੇਖੀ ਉਹ ਕਿਤਾਬ ਨਾ ਫਾੜੀ, ਵੇਖੀ ਉਹ ਕਿਤਾਬ ਨਾ ਫਾੜੀ, ਹਰ ਪੰਨੇ ਤੇ ਬੂੰਦਾਂ ਦੇ ਕੁਝ ਨਿਸ਼ਾਨ ਹਨ। ਸ਼ਾਇਦ ਪੜ੍ਹਦੇ ਪੜ੍ਹਦੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੇ ਹੰਝੂ ਡਿੱਗ ਗਏ ਹੋਣ ਅਤੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਬਿਰਹੋਂ ਦੀ ਨਿਸ਼ਾਨੀ ਛੱਡ ਗਏ ਹੋਣ। ਥੱਲੇ ਜ਼ਮੀਨ ਤੇ ਕੁਝ ਸੁੱਕੇ ਗੁਲਾਬ ਦੇ ਫੁੱਲ ਡਿੱਗੇ ਪਏ ਮਿਲੇ। ਕਿਸੇ ਕਿਤਾਬ ਚੋਂ ਨਿਕਲੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਪ੍ਰੇਮ ਕਹਾਣੀ ਦਾ ਕੋਈ ਹਿੱਸਾ ਹੋਣਗੇ। ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੂੜੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਾ ਸੁੱਟ ਦੇਵੇ।
ਕੂੜੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਾ ਸੁੱਟੀ।
ਹਰ ਫੱਟੀ ਪੁਰਾਣੀ ਕਿਤਾਬ ਅੰਦਰ ਲਿਖੀ ਕਹਾਣੀ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ-ਨਾਲ ਆਪਣਾ ਵੀ ਕੋਈ ਕਿੱਸਾ ਦੱਸੇ। ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬੇਸ਼ੱਕ ਅੱਗੇ ਵੇਚ ਲਵੀਂ ਜਾਂ ਪੰਨੇ ਫਾੜ ਕੇ ਲਿਫਾਫੇ ਬਣਾ ਲਵੀਂ, ਪਰ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਦੀ ਰੱਦੀ ਨਾ ਆਖੀ।
ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਦੀ ਰੱਦੀ ਨਾ ਆਖੀ। It really touched my heart. Wonderful, wonderful.
ਸੋ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਉਹ ਰੱਦੀ ਵਾਲਾ ਹੀ ਕਿਤਾਬਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਲੈ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀ।
You have given me another thought to write on it. So sweet. So ਇਹ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਮਨ ਚ ਆਇਆ?
ਉਹੀ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਕੋਈ ਰੱਦੀ ਵਾਲਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਕਲੈਕਟ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ।
ਹਾਂਜੀ।
ਤੇ ਉਹ ਆਈ ਸਡਨਲੀ ਥੌਟ ਕਿ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੀ ਕੋਈ ਫੇਵਰਿਟ ਬੁੱਕ ਵੀ ਤਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਈ ਹੋਏਗੀ ਏਦਾਂ ਹੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ। ਤਾਂ ਉਹਦੇ
ਕਿਸੇ ਦਾ ਕੋਈ ਫੇਵਰਿਟ ਪੰਨਾ, ਕਿਸੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਈ ਖਾਸ ਗੱਲਾਂ, ਕੁਝ ਰਾਜ਼।
ਹਾਂ,
ਇਹ ਸਿਰਫ ਪੋਇਟਸ ਹੀ ਨਡੀਪ ਸੋਚ ਸਕਦੇ ਨੇ।
you yourself are a poet. So ਬਾਕੀ ਮੈਂ I write in English also. English ਦੀ ਮੇਰੀ one of my favorite ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ that is like ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਮੇਰਾ ਪੁੱਛ ਰਹੇ ਸੀ ਜੈਸਮਿਨ ਕੀ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਮਤਲਬ ਜੈਸਮਿਨ ਧਾਲੀਵਾਲ ਪਲੱਸ ਬਿਫੋਰ ਮੈਰਿਜ I was ਜੈਸਮਿਨ ਬਲ। ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਇੱਕ ਫਰੈਂਡ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਇਫ ਆਈ ਊਡ ਲਾਈਕ ਟੂ ਗੋ ਬੈਕ ਟੂ ਮਾਈ ਬਲ ਤੇ ਚਲੀ ਜਾਵਾਂ। ਤੇ ਉਹ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਕਿ ਸਡਨਲੀ ਤੂੰ ਜੈਸਮਿਨ ਹੀ ਰਹੇਂਗੀ। Either you change to ਧਾਲੀਵਾਲ or bal
from one to other, right?
ਤੇ why to go into all the hassles ਕਿ ਆਪਣੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਤੇ ਵੀ ਚੇਂਜ ਕਰਦੀ ਰਹੇ, ਉਹਦੇ ਤੇ ਵੀ ਚੇਂਜ ਕਰਦੀ ਰਹੇ। ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਉਦੋਂ then I thought ਕਿ what's in a name?
What's in a name?
So then I wrote that what is in a name?
Please.
If I meet you in another land with another name, will you still recognize me? My name given at birth and became a part of me, but it changed when my marital status changed.
Right.
And what if I've again forgotten
No issues. And what if
forgotten it?
No issues. अच्छा मैंने ਦੱਸो what was the ਚਲੋ ਮੈਮ we'll start from here only.
ਫੇਰ ਕਰ ਲਾਂਗੇ।
ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਦੱਸੋ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਮਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਪੋਇਟਰੀ ਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਕਿਸ ਥੀਮ ਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਪ੍ਰੀਫਰ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ ਲਿਖਣਾ?
I write about whatever I feel like, you know.
Whatever touches your heart.
Yes. Because earlier as you asked कि किस तरह बचपन से लिखते सी, at that time when I was like in school that was the time of 84 riots and all. So that touched me a lot. So I wrote that time also my poetry was a bit sad because as a child I was saddened to see everything
Right,
around
right,
myself.
right.
है ना? So
Okay.
it influences your all the whole environment and whole scenario. It influences your thoughts and all.
I agree. I
So
agree.
with time, my poetry also keeps changing. You know.
Yeah, it's
Like,
always that way. As
हाँ.
far as poets are concerned, with time your poetry matures, with time
Yes.
the different shades come up, with time, you know, so many things. As a poet, you keep on growing,
Yes.
and the colors keep on changing.
Yes.
That's what I feel. Okay. ਅੱਛਾ ਮੈਮ ਹੁਣ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਗੱਲ ਦੱਸੋ ਕਿ ਪੋਇਟਰੀ ਤੋਂ ਸਿਵਾਏ any other thing that you love to do?
Yes, we are great football fans.
Wow.
So we follow Liverpool Football Club. That is our club.
Okay.
So die-hard fans, both me and my kids.
So you play football?
No, we watch football.
You watch football.
So ਉਹ ਇੱਕ ਸਾਡਾ ਪੈਸ਼ਨ ਹੀ ਹੈ ਇੱਕ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦਾ
To watch the football,
our
right.
mood depends ਕਿ ਸੈਟਰਡੇ ਨੂੰ ਸਾਡੀ ਟੀਮ ਜਿੱਤੀ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਹਾਰੀ ਹੈ ਕੀ ਹੈ
Okay.
and besides
But you
that, I
enjoy
love-
watching
yes.
it. That's the
No, that's also a part of healing for us because ਜਦੋਂ ਕਈ ਵਾਰੀ ਮੇਰਾ ਬੇਟਾ ਛੋਟਾ ਵੀ ਸੀ when
ਹਾਂਜੀ,
he was
ਹਾਂਜੀ।
saddened ਕਿ ਕੀ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ so they have you know the players to look up to ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ stories ਕਿੰਨੀਆਂ ਉਹ ਕਈਆਂ ਦੀ hard
ਹਾਂਜੀ,
they
ਹਾਂਜੀ,
ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ,
ਹਾਂਜੀ।
they come from lower strata then work
Yeah,
so hard
yeah,
and
they
become
work so hard,
so
ਹਾਂਜੀ।
that also helped him to as a source of inspiration and all.
perfect.
So that's
ਅੱਛਾ ਇੱਕ ਗੱਲ ਦੱਸੋ apart from the happy times God has given, any challenging stuff that you felt in your life कि this is the challenging stage which you need to overcome? Yeah, things came up like this and you just moved on.
No, I've gone through a lot of challenges in my life.
Okay.
You know, I keep smiling and laughing, but
You have got such a beautiful smile. ma'am.
but deep down I have a very sad story. So I don't like.
नहीं, I don't want you
when
should share.
You know, at that time when I was going through very bad times, that time I was very sad. I used to keep crying and crying. So एक मेरे अंकल है उन्होंने मिले, तो he said कि ऐसे इतना रोंदे ही वो हिंदी बोलते हैं. He's an astrologer, but my best friend's father.
Okay.
So he said ऐसे ही रोती रहेगी ना फिर कोई तेरे को नहीं देखेगा तो तू इतनी खुश हो कि लोग भी सोचेंगे खुश कैसे है.
How
But at that time I felt very bad कि क्या इन्होंने कह दिया बड़े गुस्से में उन्होंने घरों वापस आई तो मैं कहा this is not right thing to say. How can I be
you are
happy?
sad and you want कि we should smile before people.
Yes.
It's a big
But
challenging thing.
slowly when you know I've got a very strong group of friends and
Okay.
from different like my
Backgrounds.
childhood friends, my
Okay,
college
right.
friends, my city friends and
So your
they
friends have
helped me,
been your strength
to
come
yes,
up from right.
So when slowly I healed and then I realized this is right that you keep smiling like मैं अपने ਇੱਥੇ ਵੀ post ਕਰਦੀ ਰਹਿੰਦੀ ਆ ਹਨਾ.
Right,
So someone sometimes said ਕਿ ਇਹਦੀ life 'ਚ ਇੰਨਾ ਕੁਝ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ she should not be posting such ਹਨਾ ਕਿ ਆਪਣੀ happy moments. So at that time also I wrote something ਕਿ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਕਿ ਆਪਣੀ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਇਜ਼ਹਾਰ ਸ਼ਰੇਆਮ ਨਾ ਕਰਿਆ ਕਰ ਪਰ ਕਿਸ ਦੇ ਕੋਲੇ ਵੇਲ ਹੈ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੀ ਦੁੱਖ ਦੀ ਦਾਸਤਾਨ ਸੁਣਨ ਨੂੰ.
yes. ਕਿਸ ਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਵੇਲ ਹੈ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੀ ਦੁੱਖ ਦੀ ਦਾਸਤਾਨ ਸੁਣਨ ਨੂੰ.
ਸੋ ਰਹਿਣ ਦੇ ਖੁਸ਼ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਨਾਲ ਤੇ
ਰਹਿਣ ਦੇ ਖੁਸ਼ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਨਾਲ
ਅਤੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੀਆਂ ਲਾਈਨਾਂ ਹੀ ਭੁੱਲ ਜਾਂਦੀਆਂ.
Ma'am, it's with everyone because we are not playing but ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਉਹ I could get the you know the spark
ਸੋ
of
ਮੇਰੇ ਦੋ ਪਲ ਦੀ ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਨੂੰ ਨਜ਼ਰਅੰਦਾਜ਼ ਕਰਿਓ ਅਤੇ ਰਹਿਣ ਦਿਓ ਖੁਸ਼ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਨਾਲ.
ਰਹਿਣ ਦਿਓ ਖੁਸ਼ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਨਾਲ. beautiful.
So
Ma'am, as a doctor, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹੁਣ you teach also further कि you are into your practice only?
no I am into private
You are
practice
into
only.
private
Yes.
practice only. But do you feel ਅੱਜਕੱਲ ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ upcoming doctors ਨੇ any difference that you feel in your times and the times these people are coming up?
They like now the pattern of studies has also changed. It is more practical based.
It's more practical
yes,
based.
they are. They when they come, they are truly prepared to do everything. We
But do
learn.
you feel that earlier it used to happen whatever जो doctor ने कह देता वो कहते सी ठीक है. But these days because Google Baba, you know there are so many things they verify. अच्छा नहीं medicine लिखी, let me check what exactly the salt is.
The patients they are. They know in fact more than
They know more than the doctors.
अच्छा ये medicine दे लिया ना अच्छा ऐसा है.
Because
then
that's
you have to ignore this thing अपना गुस्सा भी control करना पड़ता है.
Because that happens because that you know directly questions to your capabilities, your knowledge and your medical practice that you have been put up from the years.
Yes.
तो ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦਾ ਕਦੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ
Ah,
ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਫੇਸ
because
ਕਰਨਾ ਪੈਂਦਾ ਹੈ?
Of course, daily.
Daily.
Yes.
So but then
They
how
try
you
to test your knowledge, test your patience. Yes, mostly.
ਸੋ ਫਿਰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਅੱਛਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਤੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਦੀ ਵੀ ਜਨਰੇਸ਼ਨਸ ਦੇਖੀ ਜੋ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੈਡੀਸਿਨਸ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਉਦੋਂ ਇਹ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਸੀ ਜੋ ਅੱਜ ਕੱਲ੍ਹ
Now people are more.
they are more
They
aware
question a
to
lot.
some extent. I feel it is good ki they should be
yes.
that because that is their health, that is their life, and so they should be. But kuch zyada ho gaya hai ki because
At
of
some point you have to trust your doctor, you know.
yeah, because otherwise doctor will not able to treat the patient.
Yes,
That's what I
because
feel.
99% of doctors they really they always wish for the good for their patients, and
Yeah,
it's a misunderstanding among patients.
Kuch
There might be some
misconceptions aa gaye ne ki right.
So there's a sense of doubt, and
Right.
you know that's
Okay. ਅੱਛਾ ਮੈਮ ਕੋਈ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਸਾਡੇ ਜਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਖਾਸ ਗੱਲ ਅਸੀਂ ਵਾਈਂਡ ਅਪ ਕਰਨ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਸਾਡਾ ਟਾਈਮ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕੈਮਰਾਮੈਨ ਨੇ ਇਸ਼ਾਰਾ ਦੇ ਦਿੱਤਾ
दूसरा है भी कि I met you in a very nice place at Timeless Amritsar.
Timeless Amritsar.
That
yes.
is my
Thanks
happy
to Timeless
place.
Amritsar.
Yes.
Thanks to Devinder sir. Thank you
Yes,
so
of
much to the
course.
entire team. You know, I could get such a beautiful
No,
soul.
yeah, thus I could meet you. So that is my happy place. You know, you was
That
asking.
is your happy
Yes.
place, Timeless Amritsar.
Yes, of course.
So this is again a positive point.
Yes.
Ki there is a such place that is providing a positive spark to the souls.
Yes, because earlier, na, my friend, I told you they keep pushing me. So
Right.
my best friend in Chennai, she was very much after me that you write so much, you don't share it with anybody.
Right. You should.
So she
you should.
made a website, a very beautiful website
Okay.
for me, for where I could write daily blogs and this.
Right.
So we worked on that for some time. Then she made an ebook of my poems. Then later
sweet.
she encouraged
What's the
me
good
to
name of your friend?
Dimple.
Dimple.
Ahluwalia.
So Dimple ji,
Dimpy.
that's really nice. The way you
Yes.
have motivated her. I could see the spark on face with the the blushing cheeks. She's explaining
Yes, of course.
your part in her life.
Exactly. Then she pushed me to publish my books. Then at that point, my daughter's friends, they came into scene. They, her friend, she, edited the whole of the book.
The whole of the book.
Another of her friends.
See, there are a group of people,
yes,
those who are there behind your journey.
You just have to thank God, and then everything keeps coming in your way.
So it was wonderful, Dr. Saab, to meet you on this
And
stage.
I'm so happy to come to your school, and I'm really impressed
Thank
to
you
see
so much.
what you are doing.
So guys, with this we will wind up today's Gupshup. ਮਿਲਦੇ ਆ ਦੁਬਾਰਾ ਇੱਕ ਨਵੇਂ ਗੈਸਟ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ, ਇੱਕ ਨਵੀਂ ਕਹਾਣੀ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ. See you again at Gurseema's Gupshup.
Yes,
Thank you.
great. Thank you so much.